Meaning of disciplinarian.
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 Disciplinarian. A disciplinarian is someone who enforces strict rules and punishments to maintain order and obedience. They often have a no-nonsense attitude and expect others to follow rules without question. The result of having a disciplinarian in charge can be a highly structured and controlled environment, where everyone knows their place and what is expected of them. However, it can also lead to fear, resentment, and rebellion if the rules are seen as unreasonable or oppressive. Ultimately, whether the outcome is positive or negative depends on the context and effectiveness of the disciplinarian's methods.